Buhay na buhay!
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat.
Mrs. Universe is an annual international event for the most honorable women. Event is open to married, divorced, or widowed women from nations all over the continent around the world.
Barangay Pasalo, Barangay General Tita Leon, Barangay Isla, Barangay Arcobaco, from Barangay Ligunan, Barangay Malantay, Barangay Mapulang Luma, Barangay Maysan.
Can it be now? Can it be now? Can it be now? Can it be now?
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and proud citizens of Valenzuela, welcome to the spectacle of grace, resilience, and sheer brilliance.
Welcome, dear friends, to an evening of splendor, significance, and the timeless beauty of Mrs. Universe Philippines, Valenzuela.
And my blood turned from red to black. I just wanna get you out of my head. Tonight I'm cold and
This is the first ever regional pageant of Mrs. Universe Philippines, Valenzuela City.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I please introduce the main attraction.
Let's start the show. Turn the lights down low. Feel it in your soul. 'Cause it's time to go. Let's start the show. Only go one night. Gonna shine so bright. We came for the lights. Camera, action. Let's start the show.
We are very lucky na Mrs. Universe po ay dumating po dito sa ating mahal na lungsod. Ang kanilang advokasya ay pareho din po sa ipinaglalaban po ng ating advokasya na lokal na pamahalaan, at that's women empowerment.
Made for the center stage. All of my dues been paid. You won't forget my name. 'Cause tonight it's gonna be a long night. There's gonna be a fist fight.
Dito po sa Valenzuela, equality po ang ipinaglalaban natin palagi throughout the generations, throughout the many communities, throughout the families inside and outside of Valenzuela City.
Turn the lights down low. Feel it in your soul. 'Cause it's time to go. Let's start the show. Only go one night. Gonna shine so bright. We came for the lights. Camera, action. Let's start the show. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Let's start the show. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na.
So all the best, mabuhay po kayong lahat at tuloy ang progreso sa mahal na lungsod ng Valenzuela.
change is gonna come.
Education is a key for success. And kung may tamang edukasyon, meron tayong leader na makukuha. At meron po tayong magtataguyod ng ating bansa. Makakatulong po ito sa ating bansa at mababawasan ang poverty sa Pilipinas.
Hindi ko alam kung paano ko kayo lahat pasasalamatan. Pero sobrang thank you sa pag-support nyo sa akin. Sa aking mother, Ma, thank you so much. Ikaw ang naging inspirasyon ko.
It's gonna come.
And the winner is